Okay, here we go. I got two Velcro style straps on, and the plates are Elite Series Universal. I got the flash on so you can see the cubic zirconias. The Elite Series comes with all 383 stones. Here is the World Heavyweight Championship on the black leather, of course. I got some Royal Rumble side plates, and pretty soon, probably within 7 to 10 days, I'm receiving my new sidebars. These that come with it are not thick at all. I'm not getting the 12 millimeter TV accurate ones. I think they stick up too high, especially higher than these plates. Why would this be all the way up here? Some people like it, some people do. I don't. I'm getting bars. I think they're about 7 or 8 millimeters to match the main plate and the side plate. But this video is for two different belt makers. The blue one was made by Paul Martin. The black, rock leather designs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Paul Martin straps, all send out, and I have 2 rock leather designs. I have this black one right here, send out strap, and I have a fully re-leathered red Universal Elite Series with smooth backing, all the bolts covered. But here we go. Now, the main plate on both of these belts, the detail and the tooling is really good. Hold on, there we go. Let's go to the Paul Martin one. Very detailed. Both of these belt makers, what they do is they do not do the old style where there's no pattern here behind this. It's just lines of leather. The new style send out strap does not come like that. Just wanted to point that out. I'm losing focus here. Sorry about that. Now, I've said this before in other videos, Paul Martin puts more spacing between the sidebar and the main plate and the sidebar and the side plate. I can basically stick my finger in there. If you go to the rock leather designs, you don't have a chance. Look at that. If I put my finger, it covers the whole thing. Look. Paul says this is TV accurate. Now, the tooling around the edge. Let's see. Around the main plate. There we go. Sticking out. It's pretty close to the plate. I like that. I think Paul has a little more space. Yeah, yes he does. Got a little more space from the edge of the belt or strap to the plates. Go over to the side plate. Right now I got WrestleMania 32 plates. Dallas, Texas. Tooling here It ends right here, and then there's just flat leather next to the plate. Move up to the rock leather designs. There we go. Tooling. No flat leather next to it. So that is just the tooling. This has the tooling and a little bit of space. Okay. Now the logo box. Logo part. Mine has a little crease in it right there. But there we go. WWE logo. Paul Martin strap, the logo box. Great design. He does not do the copyrighted WWE universe or network or the symbol, whatever you want to call it. But his work is perfect all the way around. When you come here, it's kind of like the replica where this goes into that, kind of messing it up a little bit. I've seen people talk about this before, but anyway, I don't know much about that right now. Here's the other side. Let's get close here. There we go. WWE sign. What do we got? Scissors. Let's see. Does the X go straight into an X? Kind of does. Got that little extra tooling right there. If we slide back over here, there's no little extra tooling here. His bevels, I believe you call it, are very nice. Paul Martin. Now, his logo box is actually bigger too. Bear with me for 1 second. There we go. There it is. Line to line. Rock leather designs right here. Paul, a little more, also adds that. They look like little triangles. Now the snap area, to be honest, I like both. I think the black looks pretty good. I like the blue. The stitching, Paul will go all the way around and in the middle. You can see it right there. And also there is the Paul Martin belt symbol and www.pmbelts.com, 24 karat 1 piece gold tip. Now this one, the Velcro, just goes all the way around the edge. Does not go through the middle. I got another Paul Martin 1 piece 24 karat gold plated tip. Now, the Velcro are on opposite sides. This confused the hell out of me at first. Okay? This, I would call the sticky side. Sorry, I don't know the real term of this piece of Velcro. And this one is soft, that goes to the sticky one. Well, I had first ordered this before I ordered from Paul. Rock leather designs. And I wanted the Velcro strap to match TB. So on eBay, I was talking to someone who sells belt hangers. I asked him to make me a belt hanger. So I went on WWE shop, and at the time it's on Google right now. They have this belt for $5,000 with the real thick plates and the works. Everything is real. And I was looking at it, and you want to hang your belt this way, starting with this side, especially with the tip. Now, on the real belt, on the pictures, this is what you're gonna hang it to. So you need a sticky side like that, a hanger to put on your wall. So the guy that I got the belt within a couple of days. I tried the belt hanger, and look, that's what the belt hanger was made out of. What I'm saying is the Velcro is on opposite sides on each of these belts, and I believe Paul Martin has it the right way, like that. Let's turn these belts over. I want to show you something. I haven't really showed you the Velcro at all. It really grew on me a lot. I mean, it's so easy. Boom. You know, and putting it around. Hold on. See, that is on there. Whew. That is on there. Paul Martin, the real way. That's supposed to be the sticky side. That one will go. Watch, you ready? It's on. Done. Pause comes, I guess, a little easier. Alright, let's go here. Here's the backings. Let's go with that real quick. Sorry the video sucked, guys. Alright. Bear with me, please. Backing. As you can see, the top, the rock leather design does look a little darker, and I'm looking at it without my phone, and it is darker. It's a little darker. I guess I did something to it right there. It's okay, because these belts are just on display. Not bad. The flexibility, not floppiness. I hate floppy. People say floppy. Yeah, that's a very common word with belts. But for me, it just sounds, a belt shouldn't be floppy. A belt should be flexible. Paul Martin's is definitely smoother by a little bit. Definitely smoother. Oh, look at that. That went all the way over. Well, guys, thanks for bearing with me with the video. The camera was all over the place. I actually bought something to hold my camera, my phone, and a little light came with it, but I lost it. So, that sucks. But that's my video on my belts. Paul Martin, the Velcro strap versus rock leather designs Velcro strap. Peace.